In today's digital landscape, mastering Facebook advertising management is essential for any business aiming to thrive. It's all about strategic planning and execution. Start by honing in on your audience. Facebook's advanced targeting options let you reach specific demographics, interests, and locations, ensuring your ads hit the mark. Next, choose the right ad format. Whether it's eye-catching image ads or engaging video clips, the right visuals can make all the difference. Don't forget about budgeting. Set daily or lifetime limits and choose your bidding strategy wisely to maximize your ad spend. Compelling ad creatives are crucial. Your headlines should grab attention, and your call to action must drive clicks. Regular monitoring is key. Track metrics like CTR and ROAS to identify what's working and what's not. A/B testing different elements can reveal what resonates best with your audience. Finally, generate detailed reports to analyze performance and uncover trends. With these strategies in place, you'll not only enhance brand visibility, but also achieve measurable results that propel your business forward.